Story Kids Rise.
The Princess and the Magical Ring Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Once upon a time, in a kingdom nestled between rolling hills and winding rivers, there lived a young princess named Sophia. Princess Sophia was known far and wide for her kindness and her love of exploration. But what set her apart was a magical ring that had been passed down through generations of her family. This ring was said to possess extraordinary powers, granting its wearer the ability to understand the language of animals. Many had sought after the ring, hoping to use its magic for their own gain, but it had always remained safely in the hands of the royal family. One sunny morning, Princess Sophia decided to take a stroll through the royal gardens, admiring the colorful flowers and listening to the cheerful chirping of birds. As she wandered, she noticed a small rabbit hiding behind a bush, its eyes filled with fear. Curious, Princess Sophia approached the rabbit and asked what was troubling it. To her surprise, the rabbit began to speak, telling her of a wicked witch who had cast a spell on the forest, trapping all the animals in cages. Determined to help, Princess Sophia slipped the magical ring onto her finger. Instantly, she could understand the language of the animals, and they told her of the witch's lair deep in the heart of the forest. With courage in her heart, Princess Sophia set off on her quest, accompanied by a brave squirrel, a wise owl, and a friendly deer. Together, they journeyed through the enchanted forest, facing many challenges along the way. Finally, they reached the witch's lair, a dark and forbidding castle surrounded by thorns and brambles. But Princess Sophia was undaunted. With the help of her animal friends, she devised a clever plan to outwit the witch and free the trapped animals. Using her quick thinking and the powers of the magical ring, Princess Sophia tricked the witch into releasing her hold on the forest. As the spell was broken, the cages disappeared, and the animals scampered off into the forest, free once more. The grateful animals cheered and thanked Princess Sophia for her bravery and kindness. And as she returned home, the magical ring sparkling on her finger, Princess Sophia knew that she would always use its powers to protect and help those in need. For true magic lies not in spells and potions, but in the kindness and courage of the heart. The Princess and the Magical Ring Fairy Tales at Story Kids Rise. Kids, please like, share, and subscribe to this video.
Story Kids Rise.